In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually start with affiliate marketing for free. Hey, hello, my name is Iana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And here I am sharing my knowledge in this set of videos here on YouTube. So as you guys know, or maybe you are looking for a side hustle, or maybe you're looking for a way in which you can replace your full-time job. Okay. You can actually have several business models. You can sell your own course or digital product. You can do drop shipping, drop service. In my case, I went with affiliate marketing after testing a lot of things because, as you can imagine, by having two full-time jobs, I didn't have a lot of time and I didn't have a lot of money because I suffered a huge scam. And that's the reason why I had two full-time jobs. If you are in a bad situation right now and the banks are calling you, like, hey, they don't care who use the money, who take it under your name. It is under your name. It's actually your responsibility. So that happens to me. So I was looking for something passive in a way so I can focus on my two full-time jobs and the system can be running on autopilot. So after trying to create, because yes, I tried to create my own digital product. At that time, it took me 6 months and I didn't get any sales. I decided like, hey, you know what? There are products out there who are people already purchasing it. This can be physical products, this can be digital products. This is what it's called affiliate marketing. So you don't have to deal with customer service, payment processor. You don't have to ship the physical product if you are delivering a physical product. You don't. Your only your only job is making sure that people get eyeballs by clicking your link. So let me share with you. Here you are. Okay, this is going to be you. Here you have someone who create a product. Okay, and that person is telling you like, hey, you know what? If someone used your link and click and make a purchase, you're going to be earning a commission. So here we have a potential customer who is already looking for that product. Maybe they do have a problem that they want to solve. Maybe they are looking for an honest opinion, and there you are like, hey, you're looking for this sort of information. Here is it. This is about this product, or this is how I actually solve XYZ. Consider using the link. This is actually really helpful. So when that person click and make the purchase, you are earning a commission. How much this can be, it depends on the product, okay? It is a physical product, the commissions are really low, like 10%, 20%, sometimes below that. But if it's actually a digital product, it can be way more than that. It can be 80%, 50%, even 100%. How come it's going to be 100%? Well, because sometimes they are like, you know what? On the very first sale, you're going to get 100%. If they keep purchasing other things, we're going to go 50-50 or 60-40. At the end of the day, is this how actually it works. So where you can find these type of products? Well, they are everywhere, but they are also on marketplaces such as this one. This is called ClickBank. ClickBank is the oldest marketplace, and you can actually join it here for free. You can click here where it says affiliates start here. Okay, here on affiliate store here, they're gonna ask you for your information, your name, your last name, and validating your address and other things. So after you are approved and you have your account, and by the way, before you say like, ClickBank is not available in my area, hey, you can go to Google and literally you can type ClickBank alternative, and there are tons of alternative. Awin, WordPlus, JVSU, Impact. There are tons, okay? There are tons of marketplaces. This is not the only one, okay? But this is the one that I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So you go to a marketplace, you're going to choose a product that you want to promote. In my case, I'm going to go with this one, which is the Energy Revolution System. Okay, there are things that I have to take into consideration. For example, the average earning per conversion is $48. So that means that every single time someone make a purchase, I'm going to be earning $48. They gave me my affiliate link. Okay, they gave me my affiliate link. I can see the affiliate page and I can see the sales page. Okay, this is actually really important if you're, especially if you're getting started. So you can go to the affiliate page and you can go and see the sales page. If I go to the sales page, I can see that this is a video. Okay, this is a video. It says, um, okay, it has an, but it's called an exit pop-up. So that means that if someone is trying to exit, okay, they are going to be checking on this and they're going to be rerouting them to the video or to the sales page. Okay. They say, wait, there's a very Tesla blueprint twice. Now it's back, boom, boom, boom. Okay, before JP Morgan can fund, bum, bum, bum. Okay, so this video, it says about the long lost ancient invention wipes out power bills and generates energy on demand. So people are looking to save, okay, on this nowadays. And the only thing that I need to tell them, like I have a video that shows them how to do it, okay, because they are gonna learn this on the video. So here in this specific product, they do have other products that I can promote. Okay, I can strategically promote other products. So if I want to get more information about this, I'm going to click here where it says resources, and this is the page. So it says grab your affiliate link. I can earn 75% commission per sale. Okay, this is the BSL, the video sales letter. Okay, just in case that you don't know, it's first, this is the one that you see, the one that says sales page, and now I'm here on this one that says affiliate page. Okay, so what else do I have? Do you have your commission ID? Okay, I already have that, and here I have some emails so I can do follow-ups via email. I have some banners. Right now, I really don't use banners, but if you have, for example, a blog, you can actually do that. Okay, and if you need some custom tools, there is an email that you can contact. So I already have the very first thing is that I need a product to promote. This is going to be my main product. In my case, it might not be the only product that I'm going to be promoting, but I'm not going to do it this way because this is what I call the hit and miss strategy. What does that mean, Diana? That means that if there is someone out there who decide like, hey, you know what, I'm interested on this, but they got distracted and they did not make the purchase. They forget about me. You know, life happens. I'm going to miss that sales. And I really don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating a two-page system. Actually, it's going to be a one-page system because of the type of sales page that I have. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing people's name and email address, and I'm going to be promising them that there is a video in which they are going to be learning how they can actually learn, to save on their energy bills and all the stuff, because that's the thing here, you know. So my system is going to be promising that, and when they put their name and email address, they are actually going to land here because of the type of page that I have. Okay, because there is a video here. Okay, so with that says, I can create a small system that is going to be sending them emails. Okay, and I'm going to be reminding them about this product. The creator of the product already gave me that. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So I'm going to build that. How do I actually build that? Well, there is a tool that I recommend that is 100% free. There's going to be a link below, which is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution, and you can open a free account. And yet you hear right, it's actually a free account. It's not a free trial. So once you have your account is going to look something like this. Okay, so you're going to go to sites, then you're going to go to sales funnels, then you're going to click here where it says create, and here you're going to put the name. In my case, I'm going to put YT tutorial. Okay, and I'm going to choose a domain. I already have my domains here. Okay, or you can use the subdomain. Diana, if you decided between the subdomain and the domain, I prefer to go with the domain because it's a little more professional. You can actually get one and they can connect it for you for free. It's actually less than $20 a year to have a domain. So we're going to click here where it says build an audience, and we're going to click here where it says save. Okay, here, the only thing that I need is this one, the opt-in page. Okay, this is the only one that I need. I can choose the one that looks the best for me. I usually prefer to go with something super simple, but you can actually go and you can find the one that you want. Okay, let's say that you're like, hey, I want to have a preview. You can click here and you can have an actual preview of how it actually gonna looks like. Okay, I prefer something super simple, and it can be something like this, or it can be, there is one that is way more simple that I prefer to go with. Okay, so I can go with something like this. So once I want it, I'm gonna click here, and here I'm gonna put the name if I want, or I can leave it just like that. Then you're gonna click here where it says edit page, and here you can customize the page. If there are some elements that you don't want, you can literally click here on the trash can and delete it. Okay, you're gonna put a text here, a text here. I prefer just to grab the name and email, so I can leave it here. And the more important thing here is, remember that I want to grab their name, email address, but after that, they're gonna go to this page with my link. So I cannot copy this link. I have to go to ClickBank, and I click here where it says get affiliate link. I'm gonna choose my nickname. Okay. I'm gonna click here where it says continue. And here, this is the link that I'm gonna put. Okay, this is the link that I'm gonna put, and I can copy it. Depending on the product that you are gonna promote, sometimes they do have more landing pages. Okay, so you can click here and you can preview. So check on that. But in this case, I'm gonna click here where it says copy it. It says Hoplink copy it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here where it says submit, and I'm gonna click like action. Okay, the action is that they're gonna submit the form. Do you want to redirect user after contact? Yes, in my case, it's gonna be to a custom URL. Okay, it's gonna be to a custom URL, and now I can save it. And with that, I have my system. Okay, super easy, super simple. Okay, I can have my system here. So now I can also configure the emails here in System.io, and I can also go and use the AI nowadays, and I can tell like, hey, this is a product that I have. Go with the AI and tell them what product you are going to promote, because chances are that they know about the product, and they're going to give you exactly the text that you're going to put on the landing page, the exact email sequence that you need to do. And because of the product that I chose, okay, I can promote more products. Because here, for example, I have this one, the Home Power Shell. I have, for example, this one, the Water Freedom System. Okay, so I can promote more of these products, but in this case, I'm not going to be creating another system. The only thing that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be sending them information to these people via email. And this is actually key. This is actually how I was able to earn money online. It's the famous passive income, the famous make money while you sleep. In my case, make money while you have two full-time jobs. Okay, because you configure this system one time, and it's gonna be working for you 24/7, month after month after month after month, years after years after years after years. So if you want to learn more about this on detail, click by click, step by step, how you can actually build this and copy it with literally just one click, check the very first link in the description. Share this content with someone who you think he or she might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.